Hi guys, welcome to my channel Sun Coding, and today's topic is GitHub. Okay, so how can you upload your piece of code? This is my piece of code, okay, and I want to upload it to GitHub. This one here, I will create a new repository to upload to GitHub. You first need to create a repository. So here I am on github.com and then slash PHP square. This is my GitHub page, and from here you just need to click on your repositories. Okay, so here you can see a new button, okay, and then click on this new button and then name your repository here. So my repository will be React and this React hyphen array because my this all code is related to array, okay, and I've done it in React. So just click on create repository after putting the name, leave it as it is, okay, and create on repository. Your requirement may be different, but I have kept it public because I want to share this piece of code with the public. Okay, so I have kept it. So here you will get all the information you need to do initially. Okay, so I have created the repository, and here you can see the repository. So first you need to point to that directory where your code is. So I have already have pointed this out. Okay, and after that, what will I do? I will do git init. When it is initialized, you need to do it to check if it is not. Okay, and then I need to check if it's anything is changed or not. Okay, git status. Okay, and then what I need to do, I need to add these files to this location. So to do that, you can, if you want to add all the files, do this git add and then dot. Okay, okay, so this is also done, and then I will do commit git, and then do commit. Okay, and I will write it first upload. Here you can also say that you can see that here they have also mentioned it, and after that I will press enter. Okay, nothing to commit. Don't worry, nothing to commit or whatever message you say. And after see, don't worry. And after this, create a branch. Git branch then m main. Okay. Okay, so branch is also created, and this part is important. Where you want to upload it, where you want to upload these files to. So you have already logged in. If you are not logged in, you will be asked to log in during this push. But here you can see the address where you want to upload it. So my address is this one. Okay, so it may depend on your name. So just write it here, and then this is enter. Okay. It says already exists because I have already created it. So this is the path you need to, this is the way you need to follow it. And after that, you need to do this git push origin. Okay, and then do this. Okay, you can see that it's saying it is enumerating objects 26 done. Okay, so let's see if it is done or not. Let's refresh this page, the repository page. Here you can see it's done. Okay, so here you can see that initialize project using create reactor. This one is different, but here you can see the commits message first upload. Okay, so this, and you can see other files as well under the src directory. You can see it, right? So this is how you can upload your code using the command line command prompt, using the command prompt. And the easiest way I have done it in this way. Okay, so next time if you edit any file, like if you edit any file from this, let's say you edit app.txt, let's open it under the free editor Notepad++. If you edit anything here, then you just need to, what you need to do, you just need to do this one, add. Here you can already see add, sorry, you will need to do git add, and then the file name, the path, and the file name, src, in this case src, and app.js, like this, and then you need to press enter. And after that, as you have already created branch and you will put the same branch, so don't need to do anything. And remote, you will already in that remote, so you don't need to do in that case also. And after this one, you need to commit it, and after commit, you need to push. So in this way, you can upload your files once again. Okay. And if you want to delete this repository, I don't know if you need it to delete it or not, but you need to know if you want to delete it in future. Just click in settings here. You can see, and if you go down this page, you can see here it says delete this repository. There are other options available as well. Change visibility, disable branch protection rule, transfer, archive this repository. Okay. So this is all about uploading your code to GitHub directory. Okay. So I show you how you can create repository by going at the top right, clicking in this icon, and then you can create your repository. And then from this command prompt, you can push your files. You can see the instruction already after making the repository. You will see the instruction. So you need to follow them. And if you haven't downloaded Git CMD, you can download it from this link. You just need to search in this Google bar, download Git for Windows. Visual Studio Command Prompt also may support this. I'm not sure about that, but that's why I have used Git CMD. Hopefully, it will work for you as well. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe if you still have not. Thank you.